Today we're going to unbox Orange 602 and demonstrate how to operate it. This is the product manual. A suitable power cord will be provided according to the specific country or region. Now let's take a look at the Orange 602 main unit. This product comes with a separate bracket. Place the product on the bracket. It features a stylish and minimalist design with a high-quality finish. Once powered on, the screen will light up and display Bitaxe. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your phone or computer, connect to the Bitaxe Wi-Fi network. After a few seconds, the browser will open the Wi-Fi settings page. Automatically enter your 2-port Wi-Fi network name and password. After finishing the settings, click Confirm, then click Restart. After connecting the device, a web address will appear on its screen. Enter the address in your browser to access the backend page. Click the 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner to open the toolbar. Click Mining Pool to enter the mining pool settings. Fill in the mining pool information, including the Stratum address, port, wallet address, or username. Swipe down for the backup pool. After finishing your settings, click Confirm and then Restart to complete the setup. All settings, deployment, and debugging of the device are completed. It runs in good condition and is ready for normal operation.